Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to see where your hooks will go in WordPress Blocksy. Okay, so we have our About page here, and let's say we want to add hooks to it. We have our hook here, which we access by clicking on hovering over Blocksy and clicking on Content Blocks, and it gives us a list of a bunch of hooks. This is test hook, this is what we made today, and we can make different kinds. If you click on Add New, we can create a hook or pop-up or a custom template, depending on what you want. But let's say we have hook and we can name it here and create it. Now I've made one here, which is, this is a hook. And if we clicked on the Blocksy icon here, you can see we can edit our conditions and choose to display it wherever, right? You can also choose to display it on specific times, users, and so on. Now we have location and priority. Now this is exactly the location, not where exactly, like on what page or what part of the website, but which area of your screen it's going to appear on. So if you clicked on this, you can see that we have a bunch of things here, and you really won't know where they'll go unless you know what it is. And some of these are very similar, and it's hard to see where they'll go. So one cool feature about Blocksy is the hooks locations feature. Let's go back to our page here and we're logged in, right? With hooks locations, we can click on, well, there's the theme hooks, which is this, and we have our WooCommerce hooks, which is for our web shop. But for this video, we're going to click on theme hooks, and you'll see that we have a bunch of yellow boxes here, dotted boxes, and this is exactly where it'll appear. So let's say we have WP head. You can see WP head, and you also have Blocksy head start. And if we hovered over here, we can see WP head start or header before, and you can see header before. And if we scroll down, there aren't many other locations here, but you see loop before, loop card start, and we can see that it should appear here, before, loop card start. That's what these are. And then if we scroll down far enough, you'll see everything from the footer and dynamic sidebar and content after. So let's try this real quick. Let's put it at WP head start. And save it. And the reason why we have so many here is because if you had multiple hooks, multiple pop-ups, you could choose exactly where they'd appear in which order. So if you had more important things, you can put them at the top or the bottom, whichever you pleased. And let's refresh our page. And you can see the hook appears here. Now, if we put Blocksy single top, in fact, we can add a new location as well. Let's see, which one is that? Single top. Single top. Let's click save. And let's wait for it to load. And we can refresh our site. And you can see it appears over here. It occupies this space. Later, we'll turn off our hooks locations feature and see how everything settles. And next, let's go ahead and put it on loop card start. Let's add another location. Loop card start, if we can even find it, because there are a whole bunch. Loop card start, and save that. Wait for it to load again. And where else can we put it? I think I'm happy with. No, let's add one to the footer as well. So let's put it below here. Let's say footer before. And let's scroll down if we can find header, content, comments, footer before. Okay, let's save that and let's take a look at our site and then refresh, turn it off and then refresh it. and see how everything looks like. Okay, this should be good. You can see we even have a little animation there. And there you go. It appears in both of these because these are the same. And if you scroll down even far enough, oh, it didn't appear yet. Let's refresh that. There you go. So let's head back to the top. Let's hide the theme hooks, and you can see they disappear, and show them again. And again, we can see where we saw where our hooks would appear, and we chose them specifically because we could see where, we could see exactly where they were. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.